Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm bringing you the top 7 airdrops to do right now. So you are still eligible for these possible airdrops. Of course, nothing is confirmed, but I did these top 7 airdrops that you can apply right now. Like you are going to see, all these airdrops are covered in my application, in my subscription. So if you subscribe to my Discord, you're going to find valuable and high level data information about airdrops, new airdrops, airdrop distributions, and more about crypto portfolios and stuff. And you are going to be able to use my application too. This app, you can see these 2 videos on how the app works, but basically it's for register all your airdrops and applying to the airdrops very easily. You can also use multiple wallets and follow all the application of your airdrops in those multiple wallets in my app very easily, and you can create your own airdrops there too. It's super useful. From the Arbitrum airdrop, I applied with 12 wallets that was super easy to manage with my app, and I receive of course thousands of tokens for that. All the airdrops that we are going to cover today, we are going to find it in my website for you can do the step by step. For example, if one of these top 7 is Myra, you can go to the website, check for the airdrop, and here you can see my video and the step by step here with all the links and everything that you need to do. Each of my airdrops video is like that. I cover daily airdrops. So if you want to make money with airdrops, check my subscriptions and check this video. Start doing these 7 airdrops and don't miss any of this time. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, beside these top 7 airdrops, I'm going to do some mentions to another airdrops that you can do after these 7. So stay tuned until the end of the video so you really get to know which are the most valuable airdrops to apply right now. You already saw what happened with Arbitrum. We did thousands of dollars. If you have been in my Discord there, you know that many of us did thousands of dollars. I will say almost all my Discord members did thousands of dollars with Arbitrum. So we are killing it there. And you can use my application. I receive enormous of great feedback from my users. And I am still working on more updates. You can check how it works, the February updates, and super great updates for April on my app. So check my subscriptions. It's going to be super easy for you to apply to these top 7 airdrops because I already covered it in my videos and you can apply to them very easily in my app. So my app is actually the next level for an airdrop hunter. The Discord and my app are really complementary and I think it's the best in the market right now for airdrop hunters. So let's go to the step 7 of the top airdrops to do now. The first one is not rare guys, but it's Zksync airdrop. We don't know if the snapshot has already happened or not, but it's not officially announced. So each time that you have doubts to apply or not to an airdrop because maybe it already happened or not, that is only speculation. What you need to do is to check your risk and reward ratio. And in this case for Zksync is in your favor. How you know your risk and reward ratio? First, you check on my video on the steps how much time it's going to take you to do the airdrop. So you check the steps and you have an estimation based on my video how much time it's going to take you to do all that. So that is one part of your risk, spending time. The other part of your risk is the money that you are going to need to do the airdrop. So many of the airdrops that I cover are free because are testnet, some of them not. For example, Zksync airdrop, you have some steps on testnet, but most of the things are in mainnet. So you're going to spend gas fee and transactions into the bridge of Zksync. So you can calculate approximately how much money you are going to need and spend for those transactions. Usually, of course, it's not that much, but depends on your budget and depends on how many wallets you are going to use. So once you have your risk, which is the time that you are going to lose and the money that you are going to lose, then you need to check your reward. So for example, for Arbitrum airdrop, the risk was really low. You can see that only bridging, doing a couple of transactions was enough to receive more than 1,000 tokens, value around $1. So your risk reward there was very high for Arbitrum. I think the risk and reward for Zksync is also very high. So instead of wondering if the snapshot is already taken, always consider this aspect. Risk and reward to do or not an airdrop depending on the timing. Once that I already told that, This is ordered by priority for timing on description participation. Many people say that Zksync airdrop is not going to happen, at least for this year, or maybe at the end of the year. There are some reasons comparing it with Arbitrum, because Arbitrum took like a year before launching a token. It's not a bad speculation neither, but because we don't know, I recommend you to start doing already the Zksync airdrop, and then maybe in 1 month you can come back here and test more stuff, do more transactions, but at least go here to my link, cryptocurrencystate.net, Zksync airdrop full guide. You are going to be sent here, and here you have the video and the step-by-step. This is a full detailed step-by-step on everything that you need to do. In testnet, mainnet, it's 24 steps. So it's not an easy airdrop to do. It's not free most part. There are some parts on testnet, but check my video. It's the best guide that I saw in Zksync airdrop. It's ERA there, mainnet, testnet, lite, everything that you need to do is there. So from our top 7 airdrops, the first one is Zksync airdrop. In the top 7, the second airdrop to do is Bell Exchange. The mainnet will be launched in May, so the incentivized testnet will end some point in April. So we are at the beginning of April, so you still have time. But if you are seeing this video, maybe in a week or 2, you need to go and check into the Bell Exchange Discord to see if the beta is still available, because the reward of the airdrop, which is confirmed, is going to be to beta testers. So right now you can go and do it, so that is why it's at position 2. Not because I think it's better than another project, but I think you have less time to apply than another project. So this top 7 is ordered by priority. So check the news if you are not late already. But at the time of I'm publishing this video, you are on time to do it. It's not free. Actually, you spend a lot of money on the transactions because you need to generate volume on the exchange. Click the link here. You're going to see my Bella Exchange airdrop video. Again, you have the video here, information about the project, and all the steps that you need to do in order to participate in the airdrop. Everything is here in my video. And Bella Exchange is an airdrop confirmed. So we are confirmed on that. The Zksync airdrop is not confirmed. We have confirmation that they are going to have a token, but there's no airdrop confirmation yet. Now, from this top 7, the third crypto token to do for an airdrop is Layer 0. We don't know if the snapshot already happened or not, but it's not officially announced. If you didn't do it, I would do it anyways. The risk-reward ratio is in your favor too. As always, like in Zksync, I think the risk reward is in your favor, so check my video there. I launched the video yesterday. So in this video is the ultimate guide. I cover everything that you need to do for layer 0. I did include some part of another video that I did that still are available. So basically you need to interact with many protocols and bridges to apply for layer 0 and also use Stargate. So check my video there on layer 0. At the time of this video published, it's going to be available, of course. So the third on this top 7 is layer 0. Now the position for the fourth top airdrop to do now is Zksync. This is an Omnichain technology, big founded project, guys. Possible mainnet launch is in May. I saw this in an article that it was like hidden there in a screenshot in an image that says a comparison that says May as launch. So if the May as launch, we only have like April for doing this. So again, like Bell Exchange, be sure that you are doing Zksync right now. If not, check the Discord for news. But try to use the app and follow my videos here to participate. The first video is here, and then you can continue with other videos searching there for Zksync. So you go to my website, and here you can search for Zksync. You are going to see these 3 videos. The October video is the first one that you need to do. Then you continue with the updates. And finally, the one that I did in March 6th, the last thing that you need to do for Zksync. I think it's a very, very big project. I recommend you to do the Zksync airdrop. Now, position 5 is Myra. This is a layer 2 specialized on gaming, social media. I compared Myra a little bit like Arbitrum Nova. So this is a very big project. They have a studio for gaming too. Very hype in gaming, metaverse still, and NFTs. So Myra is a very, very important project that I am watching. We have the confirmation of an airdrop. Actually, they have an app for the airdrop. It's super cool. And the possibility to participate ends the 23rd of May. Started already at the end of March and it's going to be until the 23rd of May. So all the information and confirmation of the dates and how to participate again is here on the link of my video for the Myra airdrop. It's very easy and actually it's free. So this is one of those airdrops that is 100% free to participate. So go here, use all my links here to support the channel. For example, step 3, you can use my referral links and support the channel doing that. But Myra airdrop is really cool, really easy to participate. That is why it's in position 5, because also you have time until the 23rd of May. Position 6, one of the favorites on the market, Arbiter Finance, one of the favorite bridges for layer 2. We don't have any confirmation of an airdrop again, but we had a hint from Arbiter official Twitter when they posted an emoji smiling and a tutorial to an Arbiter airdrop video. So you can follow my video to participate. Again, I have all the step-by-steps. And there you can see in the video that I show a post from the official Twitter account of a smiling face and a tutorial for an Arbiter video. Not mine, another YouTuber. But again, if that is not a hint for an airdrop, then I am crazy, guys. So many people say that Arbiter is not going to launch a token or not going to do an airdrop, but why they are going to post that in Twitter? So here you have my step-by-step on everything that you need to do to get the Arbiter airdrop confirmation. So Arbiter Finance, position 6. Now, finally, position 7, we have Sui, controversial project. I am tired for the devnets and testnet of Sui. But again, we don't have confirmation of an airdrop. I am 100% that they are going to do an airdrop. We had some hints over time regarding the possible airdrop, but the team never confirmed that. They are a big project, a lot of funding, a lot of devnet and tested participation already happened. And so many things you cannot do it anymore. But here you can check my videos on the Sui airdrops. So here you search for Sui airdrops. You have 3 videos on everything that you need for the testnet and everything after the wave 2. So Sui testnet airdrops, you have there all the material. Probably I'm going to do another video about Sui, but again, everything is here on my YouTube page and in my website. So guys, those are the 7 projects. So guys, those are the 7 top airdrops to do now. First one, Zksync airdrop. Second, Bell Exchange. Third, Layer 0. Fourth, Zeta chain. 5, Myra, which is a layer 2 solution. 6, Arbiter Finance. And 7, Sui ecosystem. These 7 airdrops are the hot airdrops right now from my perspective that you need to do and are ordered in terms of priority of the timing that you can apply. So don't forget to check all these videos. I covered it step by step, all of those airdrops in my webpage, so you are going to find the links there. 7 airdrops, start to do it right now. Now I have some more news for this video, some mentions. Step 8. The 8th airdrop, it will be Arbitrum, that is already done, so I am not expecting an airdrop 2 for Arbitrum really soon. And thanks to my airdrop register application, I was able to easily apply with 12 wallets and be rewarded big time on all of them. So guys, if you are not using any of my subscriptions, at least check them. In fact, they are very cheap. You have my Discord. My Discord, it will help you too. Follow new airdrops, follow news about the current airdrops that we are applying, and check for airdrop distribution, the 3 important things about airdrops, so you don't miss anything of that. Also, we cover different things about crypto projects and portfolios, many other things. And my app, you have here 2 videos. Soon you are going to have a 3rd video from my April changes and updates futures. But my app is going to help you to manage multiple wallets. If you really want to make money in airdrops, at some point you are going to move to multiple wallets. Like I did with Arbitrum, I won thousands of dollars with my 12 wallets. But even if you are using one wallet, you may lose control of your airdrop applications. So maybe you are following an Excel file where you write everything that you did for an airdrop, but then you start losing track of everything, how many transactions you did. You need to continue doing something or not. So everything on that, you are going to have everything organized in my app, and because it's not only for CCS, you can add your custom airdrops, and then you are going to be able to apply easily to all the airdrops that I cover. For your custom airdrops, you are going to be able to apply after you create them. So if you are doing airdrops from another sources, not only my channel, that's fine. You can use my app to do that too. So my application and my Discord are game changer. I don't see any other better project or application in the market right now than these two. So if you really want to make another step on Airdrop Hunter path, check my apps and the Discord. Guys, another mention 9 is Optimism, the quest, maybe Airdrop 3. So check this video, why I think this could be the Airdrop 3 for Optimism. So that is another mention for a possible airdrop. Position 10, Shardium, most likely will have an airdrop for community supporters. I also covered the Shardium, so you are going to be able to see it here. It's a free participation, so it's great. And we have Shardex, which is like the Uniswap for Shardium ecosystem, also very important project. And they have a confirmation for the airdrop, which is really, really nice. And I already also covered Shardex here. So all these projects are covered by me, and all these are great opportunities for airdrops. So you have my top 7, and after that you have the Optimism, maybe Airdrop 3, Shardium and Shardex. Guys, those are the hot airdrops to do, top 7 airdrops to do now, and some other mentions. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to click on the like button. That helps me a lot to help the algorithm. And please subscribe if it's your first time. I cover mostly daily videos about the airdrops and different topics on crypto. And click the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, that will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.